In this video, we're going to be removing the, the front right fender on a 22 GR86. So we have the bumper off already and the headlight out. I have a video on that. There's going to be links on the bottom. Alright, we're going to start off by pulling off the fender liner. Well, at least disconnecting it from the fender, so we're going to take it off fully because we need it out either way. But there's a chance that you could just disconnect it from the fender, you'll be fine. Just make sure it's loose. We have one right here. Yeah, so we have one right here on the bottom. Take that one out. If you're pulling the fender liner out completely like us, there was one more clip right there. Didn't really get a shot of it, but it was on the bottom. I'm just gonna pull the fender liner. Again, so if you're just doing the fender, you don't need to fully take out the fender liner. For us, we had to, but you could just do the edges and you'll be fine. Alright, now we're going to be unclipping the side skirt, the rocker panel. Let me show you the clips. So they're like these big ones. Just make sure you fully take them all out on the bottom. Let me see if I could get to the bolt here. There's a bunch of those clips. Just take all of them out. Okay. Alright, so these are the two that go into the fender, or three right here. So it will be this one, and mine broke right here. This is the one that broke off. Then you're gonna have these little clips on top, and then you have the big ones on the bottom right here, all the way down here. You have more of these. So these are all pop out. Just pull on it and they should release. There's a small clip on the back, all the way towards the back. So that's how you remove the rocker panel. Alright, so when you remove the rocker panel plastic piece, you're gonna have two 10mm bolts in the bottom. Right there. So just open the door all the way, and then you're gonna have one right here from inside the car, so don't forget that one. And you're gonna have a few on top. Пока оставим, что? Там еще,
там еще одни есть. Надо сказать, что там под этим есть.
This is the bracket, well, the cover, and there's a 10mm. I'm not sure how to take this out. We just pulled it out, and yeah. Drop that bolt. Just carefully not to scratch the door, pull it off. So that's it.